Mama Weesie channel. Today I'm going to show y'all how to spice up your leftover from New Year's Day. So I have some more leftover chicken. I'm going to cut this up. Okay, it's all cut up, you see. Let me show y'all. This is leftover chicken. My kids are getting tired of eating the same thing, so I'm about to spice it up because I'm not throwing away the Hoppin Johns. So I'm going to spice it out with some chicken and some shrimp that I have. Okay. I have an onion. I'm going to cut it up and put it inside the shrimps and the chicken. Go wash that. I don't know why I'm doing this separate because I'm frying the shrimps and the, well, I guess I'm going to fry the shrimp first and then do the chicken, and then I put all of them together after that. Oil in the frying pan. Okay, already got it in there. Ooh. Okay. And as you see, you got my shrimp. I'm going to cook that first with the onions on it. My shrimp, I'm going to cook this first with the onions on it. I'm using like the little baby shrimps where you can use in salad. I already washed it off and everything. Put my little season, put some salt. Some pepper. Garlic powder. You can see it. Garlic powder. Some onion powder. See? Some accents. Creole. You'll see? Creole. Creole. Okay, now I'm going to add the chicken with some on it. So mix it up in here. So I'm going to let all that fry together. Let that fry. Put some more pepper. Let's spice it up. Spice up this Hoppin' Johns. This is the pot with the Hoppin' Johns and the rice. With the beans and the rice. So the Hoppin' Johns. I use field peas. I use the field peas. Some rice. I wash the rice and put the field peas, the rice, neck bone, and I also use the beef stew chunk. So all that's inside here. So it's extra meat. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 kinds of meat inside the Hoppin' Johns. Going to be inside the Hoppin' Johns. So that should be good and spicy for them. So they don't have to keep saying, well, we got to keep on having a Hoppin' John because it makes things something different. And so I'm about to give them something different. I cooked. That's the chicken. Well, I did a first time baking a whole chicken. So this is what this is. So I had some leftovers, just a little bit, because they really love that. So I'm taking a leftover from that and bringing it in with the shrimp and going inside the rice. So this will give y'all some ideas. If you didn't use all of your rice or whatever for New Year's, you can do this for the rice. Add more other things to it to spice it up, to make, you know, to let them say, okay, this is something different. I can use this. I can eat this. Or y'all can try it my way. Y'all can even try it my way. Look at that. So nice and brown. This is going to be something good. So like I say, onions, a little shrimp. Whatever kind of shrimp you want to use. I use the little baby salad shrimps, and my baked chicken that I had, or any kind of meat you want to put. And then I'm going to use my Hoppin' Johns, you know, and I'm going to mix it all that into it. Nice and brown. They're nice and brown. Nice and brown. Okay, turn it off for now. Okay, here's the Hoppin' Johns. Like I say, it has the neck bone and the stew beef chunk that I cooked for the Hoppin' Johns and the field peas. This is what Hoppin' Johns look like. You can see it? Okay. I'm about to add this in here. Look good. Looks too good. Oh my God. Got bones and everything still, but the neck bone. Let Put that some on down, the top on it. And I'm going to show you next what I'm going to do with this. Okay. Can y'all see? Doesn't that look good? Okay, now I'm about to use some Kikkoman. I think I said it right. It's low in sodium, so not too much salt. I'm about to use this. Pour it in there. Okay, that should be good enough. Okay, stir that up. Only if y'all been here to smell. Oh my God. Smells so good. Smells good, looks good. So this will be a good spice up. So I'm gonna add some pepper, some more pepper. Some Creole. And I'm gonna, add some accent. And I'm about to give it a little kick. So I'm gonna do what? Let me see. I'm gonna do some red pepper crush. You can see the glare. Red pepper crush. Ooh. And hold on. I'm gonna do some red pepper. So I'm doing some of that too. You see how, only if y'all can smell it. Smell what I'm cooking. Woo!
Smells good.
My daughter is behind me. She say it smells good. So she done come in the kitchen. She done come from upstairs, come downstairs. She's smelling it to see what I'm cooking. What Mama Weesie is cooking. So, yes. So that's, I'm going to let it simmer. And I'll be back with y'all. After letting it sit. Now it's time to eat. That's dinner. Okay, dinner time. I top it off with a little basil on the top of it. So now it's time for the taste. Got my little water on the side. Okay. I think they're gonna love it. Yeah. So like I said, you have shrimps. I put the chicken that I baked. A whole chicken I baked. But I had a little piece left, so I cut it up and added to here. And I also have neck bone and the beef chunks. The stewed beef chunk in here. So it won't be no Hoppin Johns if you don't have the neck bone, where you can chew up the bone. And take all the meat off. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Press that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post Mama Weesie. And I thank y'all for watching. And I hope y'all the New Year's is going good for y'all. Bye-bye.